we've got something entirely different. This is the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and let's get to unboxing it. So first off, just a box size comparison. This one is the iPhone 7 Plus box, and this is the 12 Pro Max box. So when you put them side to side, you can clearly tell how much thinner the iPhone 12 Pro Max box is, albeit it is a bit taller. And definitely that thickness is the one main difference that you can see. Let's just get to unboxing this guy. Oh my gosh, that just came off so easily. There you go, guys. The iPhone 12 Pro Max. Love that matte blue finish. This is just so beautiful. Pull it out. Oh, okay, first impressions of this guy. It's actually surprisingly lighter than what I expected. I thought it would be pretty heavy, but wow. Now this is not the same for everybody. I usually use my phone with a case, and the case obviously makes it heavier, so it's gonna depend on you really, but wow, I thought this was gonna be heavier. These sharp edges, this boxy design is actually quite easy to hold. I thought it would be a bit more protruding, but it is not bad. Oh, that's great. This just feels so good to hold right now. Of course, on the bottom you do have your traditional lightning ports. Apple hasn't moved to USB-C. On the left, SIM tray, volume buttons, silent switch. On the right, your power button. Now there would actually be, if you are in the US, you would have the millimeter wave band, but we're in Canada here, so we don't get that. You got that, oh my god, that is a gigantic, absolutely gigantic camera bump. Like, wow. What do they call it on the site or something? Like the Camera Samurai or something like that? Yeah, that is, wow. Those are the biggest cameras I've ever seen. You've also got your LiDAR scanner, and actually the mic, I think it's actually gotten a bit smaller compared to the 11 Pro. You've also got your flash up top. So yeah, let's power it on. I am super excited. Wow, that just feels so good. While this power's on, let's check what else is in the box. Of course, you do not have your charging brick. We just got your lightning to USB-C cable, and you've got your paperwork. Now I think there's only one Apple sticker in here. I don't understand the big deal about Apple stickers. It's just a sticker. Alright, it's just a sticker, but I'm gonna guess that there's one in here. Hold up, wait. That looks like an iPod. Yeah, see, the old ones don't look like an iPod. It's only that one. That is so cool.
Hello there.
Alright, so now time to move on to the accessories. Alright, so remember what I said earlier about the phone being kinda light? It's not. It's actually quite the chunk. Now that I lift it up, it's really... You do notice it actually a bit more when you're sitting, but I'm recording this video standing, so that's probably why. The accessory that we've got is this guy. The navy blue silicone case for the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and it's got MagSafe with it, so let's just get to unboxing. Alright, here it is. So on the inside of the case you do have that ring, that MagSafe. There is MagSafe within the case itself to add on to the MagSafe that's in the phone. And when you do put the phone into the case, it gives you that animation. And what's also cool is that the animation depends on what color the case or maybe the phone is. We got the Pacific Blue iPhone 12 Pro Max paired with the navy blue case, so it gave us the navy blue animation. Right? It's a really nice and grippy case. It's very high quality. It covers all the buttons. It covers around the cutouts, and it does have a raised lip to protect your screen. It also has a raised lip around the absolutely gigantic camera bump, so that's another good thing. Really like the feel of it. It does add a bit to the weight of the phone. I do like the Apple logo centered in the back. It just looks really good with this. Oh, the only thing that I feel I'm missing is just that matte finish that you get with the naked phone, but this is still a really good case, really grippy, and with this, you know that when you drop your phone, it's not going to break or anything like that. Really protective, grippy, sturdy, good feeling case. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching the video. If you did enjoy the video, do feel free to drop a like and subscribe, and maybe tap that bell because I do have a couple more videos planned out for the winter break. Anyways, that brings this video to a close, so thanks so much for watching, and that's it for me. Prepare to die.